See how fast that was. Guys, that was 71 miles an hour on 4S. Maybe do one more. Make sure let's get her down there. Once again, couldn't stop it from going to the left. Last time I went to the... Golly.
Stood right up on the tail. I think ease into the throttle a little bit better than that. Definitely got 100 miles an hour in her if I can keep her on the ground. Seems to be the struggle. Hopefully nothing broke on this one either. At least it's stayed on the road this
time. Nope. Guys, I broke this front shock tower. So, that'll be the end of that. So guys, as you can tell from those few runs there, didn't do so great the other day after I got it all fixed up. Partially due to the new radio, probably partially due to the fact I had to put the original tie rods and stuff on, which have no adjustment, so I could not adjust the camber or anything like that, front or rear. I do have those on order. That last crash with the fire hydrant pretty well destroyed everything on that side of the car there. Completely broke my servo off of the receiver box, bent the motor mount completely, nearly pulled the motor off as well, as you can see down in there. Haven't taken it apart to see how bad the front of the motor is yet. I can't run a fan on it anymore because those fins are bent and the fan won't fit in it. So I do have parts on order. You see in one video I broke that shock tower. That shock tower is off of a 3S Outcast, so that probably didn't help me either. I do have the correct one coming. Pulled the body completely through that pin, so a big hole there now. But we'll get her put back together and we'll try again. Guys, it's not easy to get these things to 100 miles an hour, and I'm not the greatest driver either, so it's definitely been a struggle. But we'll keep trying. Thanks for watching.